definite. If someone else turns up, it'll be, oh shit, oh, okay, cool. But no, Sid's coming. He's definitely coming. Here's the town crier. Lives at Tanbury Village.
I really do like those old veteran type cars.
Yeah. There's a 1910 Maxwell. Yeah, so Lisa's in it a bit more. I can't remember if they have some more trouble with pigs or they're having success with pigs. Oh, that was a good one. Nearly got him.
Got who?
Oh, he was coming round and he just pulled out in front of him. Porsche.
Porsches are a dime a dozen, really.
They are a bit like new Mustangs.
I just like, but then again too, I do so like MGs, but I do like MGs because they're gorgeous.
Yeah, well at least they don't make them anymore.
Oh, does anybody